Hi everybody, I'm glad to be here together with you. I'm going to talk about robots. As you know, the human mind full of really bad emotions, and there is just no reason to let the human mind to do some of our trading. So, I used robots to take out of some of the emotions. As you know, it happens to so many traders, is that the emotion starts to take over. So today I'm going to talk about robots, especially for Olymp Trade. Robots, it's not about full automation. What the robots really do for us? They did a lot of things that most traders are really terrible at, like sitting in front of charts and waiting of the exact entry point and things like that. So now I will show you how to set up an extension called ORobot for trading at Olymp Trade. Just click the link below and install this extension into your Google Chrome. Excellent! Now we have a button which opens our robot. After the installation, sign in at your Olymp Trade account. And now you can start use it. Set up the currency and your strategy. Also, you can find a lot of video instruction on my channel. Please subscribe and feel free to ask any questions. Start trading with a robot now and for sure you will succeed in it. Install it right now. Thank you for watching, goodbye.